remember the old days with my friends I used to play. Never hungry, we're never tired, we're always free. But now let's cooking feel we had. Lots of love was everywhere in that old tin house by the sea. And every day when chores were done, Father said, go have your fun, and to be back for the pigs we had to feed. And how I wish that I could see my mommy and my daddy smiling at me in that old tin house by the sea. And I remember the old days when the church bells used to ring and the villagers they'll gather to parade. But how we live life simply, we're always rich but no money in that old tin house by the sea. But every day when chores were done, Papa said, go have your fun, and to be back for the kids we had to feed. But how I wish that I could see Papa and Mama smiling at me in that old tin house by the sea. Ain't that now? Hey, something. And now, Pipa, as we like to bring up, Pipa Mago and Bananas, the children, the kids are the Marianas. As we bring them up to showcase and display to them the beauty, because that's what it's all for. At the end of the day, we must pass down culture from generations to generations and generations to come. And nonetheless, we have our beautiful dailies to come up here and do it. At the same time, I love to show diversity. Please help me make welcome our elders of the community, the Chamorro community, our manuncles. Please guide them towards the front there as we display all our beautiful. So we got all generations up here on stage. And that's how we keep the culture alive. It's something that is passed on from generations and generations to come. And thought that English was not so good, but somehow we understood, and there was none standing by our side. And we did wrong how he would scold, but we did just as very cold in that old tin house by the sea. And every day when chores were done, Papa said, go have your fun, and to be back for the pigs we had to feed. And how I wish that I could see Alina and Mommy smiling at me in that old tin house by the sea. And all our stories I now tell of the lessons I've learned well in that old tin house by the sea, by the sea. just a little fun fact, Pizza. So, obviously we got over 250 plus of our Chamorro people up on stage demonstrating. So the fun fact will be, how do we get 250 people plus on and off stage, right? So it was something that we're working with, and they're doing a fantastic job. Please give them a big round of applause, San Diego. Yeah. The next thing we'd like to present to you, as they bring it up on stage, is another segment of the Violent Panlitas, a song entitled Jesucristo. And it talks about the Lord and Savior and all that the Spanish colonial time has influenced into the beautiful people of the Mariana Islands, the Chamorro people. And it's a song entitled, and it talks about the Son, Father, and Spirit. And it's a song that means so much to all of us, and it's a song entitled Jesucristo. This will be our very last number, people, to all of you. As we pay tribute and honor. Yes.